Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're looking to make your next trip a lot more organized, then you're going to want to check out this set of 8 compression cubes from Prezon. One of my favorite things about this set is just how much space it saves. I found that using these cubes made packing a whole lot easier. I love that it has mesh on the outside, so it allows me to see exactly what I'm putting in and makes things very easily accessible when traveling. Whatever you're bringing, you're able to organize it with each individual cube, which allows you to sort through them much easier and faster, especially when getting to your hotel or room. I've never used compression cubes before, but let me tell you, now that I have, I'll never go back. This set is a gray. It's called pewter, and I absolutely love the fabric. I love that it's thick enough that it allows me to be able to wipe it down if it were to get dirty, but definitely feels like durable fabric. The depth of each of these cubes is wonderful. It really allows you to put a lot of clothing in each cube. I found that the zippers were very durable. Compressing it was very easy. You fill up the cube and then zip up the first zipper. The second zipper does all the compressing, and it really felt like magic. I was able to fit so much into my suitcase. I didn't have to worry that I was overpacking. So if you're looking to make packing a whole lot easier, then I would highly recommend this set of compression cubes from Prezon. And that's my point of view.